This is a soul fire production.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the bench. Today I got something new to show you. New to me. It's probably been out for a little while, but I just picked one up. The PROBOAT Jet Jam, 12-inch little RC boat here, ready to run. I ordered this from the RC shop at Dr. Dan's down in Titusville, but you can pick them up from Horizon Hobbies, as you can see. Maybe even Tower Hobbies online, I'm not sure, but I got this one from Dr. Dan. Some of you may know it as the Paradise Crawl Zone down there. They just sent it up to me since I didn't have a chance to get down and get it. So let's take a look at it. There it is. You can see it comes without stickers on it. Comes with a little PROBOAT stand. It is not a prop boat. It's actually, I guess you would say, jet propulsion powered. Pulls the water up through that vent down there. Shoots it out back here. And that turns to give you your direction. I ran it the other night when I got it just to check it out for a few minutes. I don't know, the battery probably wasn't fully charged when I ran it, but it was pretty fun. It's not super fast, but it's a fun boat. It's a pretty simple setup. A little screw that holds the top on. Inside, nothing special. Little dynamite combo in there. Comes with a 1500 milliamp 2S battery. Comes with the charger for the battery. Comes with this little push guard that screws on the front of the nose here. The nose does have a nice rubber on the front of it in case you bump anything hard. It doesn't hit the plastic up too bad. But you can put this thing on the front to act as a recovery boat if you want, or like I actually live on a pond. Sometimes there's trash out there. I might take this boat out and push the trash back to the shore and clean up with it or something like that. It comes with 3 different sticker sheets, which is pretty cool. It's got this PROBOAT sticker that it comes with, and you get a blue theme, yellow and blue, and red and blue. I'll put one of these sets on before we go out. Not sure which one yet, but definitely get it decorated. The boat itself comes in orange or white. I obviously got the orange. It's got your instruction manual that it comes with. The remote. It's honestly the plainest remote I've ever seen in my life. Nothing but a steering trim adjustment on there and an on-off switch. I thought I saw a video that showed that this has 2 different speeds, but I don't see any speed adjustment on this, so that's just your on-off switch. There's no speed adjustment that I can see, so it's 1 speed, but we've got a fully charged battery, so we're going to see how fast it really goes. So I'm going to get some stickers put on it, and meet you out back, and we'll put it in the water. Alright, here we are out on the pond. Got the stickers on the boat. Looks pretty good. There's a nice sticker sheet Nice solid stickers they give you with it. Let's go ahead and turn it on and throw it in the water. Alright, got the battery in here. Unlike regular RCs, for whatever reason, you have to turn the boat on first in this. And then you turn the remote on. We got our jet moving. Adjust that trim a little bit. That's good. Alright, we're going to go ahead and toss it in. We'll literally toss it in there because I think this is self-uprighting. Even if it's not, I tossed it in yesterday and it didn't sink. So I also don't have my regular gimbal, so hopefully the footage that I shoot here while I'm trying to drive isn't too shaky and jumbled around. See, not real fast, but whoa, what happened? Uh-oh. Well, what's going on with it now? Ran it yesterday with no problems. Let me take it out here and see what's going on. Alright, so I got no idea why it's doing what we just saw it doing, but I ran it around a little bit more, and oddly enough, it doesn't seem to do it when I'm going against the wind or when I'm going with the wind, but as soon as you go against the wind, like I am now, it's pretty windy, it's wanting to stop for whatever reason. It wasn't bad. It didn't cut off a whole lot. I don't know. It really might be because it's windy and I'm going against the wind. I got no idea. But all in all, not bad. For paid $60 for it on sale. It's regular $99.99. So I mean, you're getting what you should expect for a $100 boat. It's no blackjack by any means, but it's a fun little boat. And I took the cap off earlier. It had a little bit of water in it. It seems like it's got a good seal around it, but it did have a little bit of water in there, so definitely keep an eye out for that. But not much else to show with it, I don't think, really. You've seen about all there is. It's a pretty basic little fun boat. It'd be a great boat for kids. My son drove it yesterday. He had fun with it. It's easy to drive. So I'm gonna see if I can get a few more runs on it, and that's about it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.